From space, a hurricane doesn't look chaotic. It looks terrifyingly perfect. A massive spiral hundreds of kilometers wide, clouds wrapping inward toward a calm, almost peaceful eye. From orbit, you can see the structure clearly, the rotation caused by Earth's spin, the towering thundercloud walls reaching 15 kilometers high. Satellites track temperature differences, wind speeds, and moisture levels in real time. What looks beautiful from above is catastrophic below. Entire coastlines vanish under that spinning engine of heat and water, and it all begins as warm ocean air, rising quietly. From space, you don't just see the storm, you see its anatomy. Like and subscribe for more space perspectives.